Guys, today we're going to be taking a look at the Samsung Galaxy S10e. This is honestly an epic little device, and I'm going to cover a bunch of its features in this video, but also stay until the end, guys, because I made some epic S10e wallpapers for you that you can get from my website. So other than that, guys, let's get into it. So first up, as always, we're taking a look at what you can expect when unboxing your Samsung Galaxy S10e. In case you guys also didn't know, Samsung use eco-friendly packaging to package their devices, which is awesome. So first up, you get the charging brick or charging adapter, then your charging/data cable, it's USB to USB Type-C, some AKG earphones, which I really like, as well as this USB to USB-C adapter. You get your quick start guide with all information and the ejection pin on the other side. Also included is this really cool cover that obviously protects your device. I love that it comes in the same kind of yellow as the device, and the design is really funky. I love that they included this. You also, of course, get your S10e device all packaged in their eco-friendly box. On to the look and feel, and guys, it feels just as good as it looks. Along the side or frame of the phone, they've actually tinted the steel look slightly to that yellow color. The Infinity O display is also beautiful because there is so much screen space on this bad boy. The back of this device is just as nice and is made with Gorilla Glass 5. On the bottom of the S10e, you will find the speaker, microphone, charging port, and of course, aux jack. Then, while this color is nice, it is available in other variations that are a little more subtle, which I appreciate. And on the side, we have the fingerprint sensor and power button, and towards the other side, we've got the Bixby button and volume rockers. As with most, if not all Samsung devices, the display is epic. It has a 5.8-inch Full HD Plus dynamic AMOLED display, which simply put is the bomb.com. But in all seriousness, the screen is fantastic, and with it being a dynamic AMOLED display, there are a lot less harmful blue lights. I also find that the hole punch cutout doesn't bug me, but if it bugs you, just rotate it so that your thumb hides it in the bottom right hand corner, so that way when watching videos or playing games, it doesn't really bug you. It just seems like a full screen. It's just a little trick you can try out, and I don't know, you might prefer. Now, the S10e has a very compact form factor. It's roughly 69mm wide and 142mm long, less than a centimeter thick, and weighs only 150 grams. When comparing it to other devices, it is definitely a lot smaller. And just for some reference, so you can see, on the left is the Nokia 9 PureView, and to the right is the Samsung Galaxy S10 Plus. One of my favorite parts is chatting about the cameras, and on the back of the S10e we have a 12-megapixel wide angle and a 16-megapixel ultra wide. The standard S10 and S10 Plus have the extra telephoto lens, in case you guys are wondering, and then in the front we have a 10-megapixel selfie cam. As you can imagine, there are so many various settings that you can go through and pick and choose from to change the quality of your videos or pictures. The S10e also has the exact same modes as the S10 and S10 Plus, which is awesome. Here you can see me toggling between the two lenses. And again, as I mentioned, there are various modes. So here in Pro mode, there are so many different things you can change, such as the white balance, ISO, exposure, all that jazz. Something I really enjoyed on the S10 Plus was how easy it was to change aspect ratios, and they've done that on the S10e as well. It really makes taking photos so much easier. So just so you guys can see, here are some images I took straight from the S10e. I have not edited or color graded any of these. As I said, straight from the S10e. And then here's a look at panoramic mode. We also have hyperlapse, and you can change the speed of what hyperlapse you'd like to capture. It's all in the settings. And then here's a video I took actually walking with the device in my hand. It's so stable, guys, when stabilization is on. And then of course, slow-mo, so epic. As previously mentioned, it does charge via USB-C, which is super duper convenient. And then just for your guys' reference, the battery size is 3,100 milliamp hours. And when you compare that to other devices, you can see it's slightly higher than the iPhone XR, but definitely less than the OnePlus 7 Pro. It also offers fast charging, which what's not to love, as well as fast wireless charging. Once again, so convenient. Onto the software, and as you may know by now, it's got Samsung's One UI and it comes pre-installed with Android 9 Pie. Together, these make for some awesome features and they are really nifty things you can do on your device. I've actually got a couple videos on this, so I'll link them down below in the description box, but you still get your zoom in magnification window, which can be easily toggled on in the settings section. Recent applications can also very quickly and easily be accessed. It runs so smoothly, guys. I've opened up so many applications, used things in split screen, and I've had no issues whatsoever. I also think it's great that they kept the Edge panel menu. Overall, I would have no complaints whatsoever, guys, with regards to the software and user interface. Everything feels so quick and seamless. It's honestly a pleasure operating this device. Onto the SD card and SIM card slot, you actually get two different models where one is a single SIM and the other is a dual SIM model. But with regards to expandable memory, you can expand up to 512 gigs, and then there is space for a nano SIM. On board, you can choose between 6 or 8 gigs of RAM and 128 gigs or 256 gigs of internal storage. Onto other features, and the S10e does have a fingerprint sensor, except it is on the right hand side of the device. It is not under the screen. I did find setting it up a bit tedious and the placement does definitely take some getting used to, but once you have actually set up your fingerprint and start using it to unlock your device, it is surprising, guys, how quickly it does unlock your phone, and I didn't find issues with it at all either. And then, in case you missed it in the beginning, they did keep the aux jack, guys. Very important to me. Finally, I thought I would design some fun, cool wallpapers for you guys. As you know, the cutout punch hole display is iconic, so I really just wanted to create some for you guys. There are 6 in total. They are completely free. You can just download them from my website. And let me know in the comment section, guys, which one is your favorite. It was pretty hard for me to pick, I must admit. But like I said, go check out my website, haylsworld.com. Under downloads, you will see S10e Wallpapers. I've actually created some wallpapers for the S10 Plus as well as WhatsApp, so you can check those out too if you'd like. But yeah, guys, enjoy! And that is it for this video, guys. I really hope you learned more about the S10e. If you enjoyed this video, please be more than welcome to like and subscribe. You can also check out my other Samsung videos right over here. But other than that, thank you so much for watching and I will see you in the next one. Toodles!